like if you want to be more competitive, I think as a coach that doesn't have as big a following and reach right now, you're better off going more down the high ticket route, right? Than trying to sell like bargain basement guides and programs, because you're not going to get traction with that. So like $1,000, $1,000 US for 12 weeks, where if you map out the way that you do that program correctly, you should be spending no more than 3 to 4 hours across those 12 weeks. So if you divide that 1,000 by 3 to 4, that's anywhere between $250 to $333, either AUD or USD per hour as an online coach. But ultimately, as I know Stefan will attest to this too, when you first start online, like if you don't have the knowledge, the systems and that, and I'm talking about the IP delivery systems, because you've got two types of systems online. You've got IP delivery and technology delivery, right? So i.e. the structure, the reporting, the tracking sessions, the payments, all of the business stuff. And then you've got the IP stuff, the biofeedback, the anthropometric data, the nutrition, the training, etc. So there's a lot of this stuff in the market right now with the technology, all these great apps. But like one, I guess, missing element of a lot of them is that they actually don't have the substance within them, right? So that's something that like we obviously teach that a lot in our courses, because we did over 300,000 appointments, like either online or in person. It's like focus on the IP delivery system first to get good at serving your clients. So I repeat that, to get good at serving your clients, because a client transformation will always outweigh, a paid ad or something like that, because you're doing it from a place of organic, you're serving your client, you're getting that result.